Learning new words and phrases is essential for effective communication. However, it can be challenging to understand the meaning of a new word or phrase, especially if you're not familiar with its origin or context. Fortunately, ChatGPT can help with that. ChatGPT will help in finding meaning for words with ease, provide usage examples, and helps to know more about the word or phrase. For that, simply open the ChatGPT interface and type in the word or phrase you want to define. For example, the word dichotomy. To find its meaning, we can add the prompt, "Hey ChatGPT, can you define the word dichotomy for me?" It's as simple as that. Every word or phrase you need a definition for can be quickly found using ChatGPT. And it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT will also provide examples on how to use the word in a sentence and provide additional information like pronunciation and origin. Just ask for examples and additional information from ChatGPT. As an example, let us use the same word dichotomy as previous. Add a prompt to ChatGPT like, "Hi, can you provide additional information about the word dichotomy, like its origin and pronunciation?" And for getting an example with this word, add the prompt, "Hi, can you use this word in a sentence?" ChatGPT will give the example and additional information regarding the word dichotomy. Now let's look at the second practice section. This section is divided into two parts. In the first part, we will note down words from sources like books, newspapers, and blogs, and in the second part, we will directly ask ChatGPT for suggesting words. Let's go to the first practice exercise. The first step in this practice section is to collect words from sources such as books, newspapers, or blogs. You might wonder why you should use sources like books, newspapers, or blogs for words when you can obtain them directly using ChatGPT. The answer is simple. While ChatGPT can give new words, each individual's preference differs, and only sources of words from the required source can give you the desired output. Therefore, relying solely on ChatGPT for words may not accurately reflect an individual's vocabulary. Using books, newspapers, or blogs as sources to find new words can offer a wider range of options and contexts. The first step is to find words while reading and note it down. Be sure to make a list of 10 words each day for a week. Then take the list and ask ChatGPT for the meaning and additional information of the word. In the final step, ask ChatGPT to suggest 2 sentences for each word. Let's learn more about it through an example. In step 1, go through journals, newspapers, or books to find the words. For example, in this case, the word omen from the book The Alchemist is taken. Likewise, note down 10 words from your reading. In step 2, ask ChatGPT to find the meaning and additional information on the word using a prompt like, "Can you provide meaning and additional information of the word omen?" In step 3, ask ChatGPT to create one sentence with the word omen and another with its synonym using a prompt. For example, a prompt that can be added is, "Can you create a sentence with the word omen and one with its synonym?" Note down these sentences and try to use them in your daily conversations. And that's it. Continue this for 30 minutes a day for 1 week. After completing this task, you will be familiar with 140 new words. Now, let's move on to the second practice section, in which we will try to understand new words outside of the context of your vocabulary. For this, follow these steps. Step 1. Add this prompt to ChatGPT. "Can you suggest 10 words for enhancing my vocabulary?" Step 2. Now ask ChatGPT for the meaning and sentence related to each word. And finally, in step 3, note down these sentences and try to use this sentence in your daily conversation. Continue this for 30 minutes daily for a week with 5 different words for each word. With the conclusion of this practice section, you have spent an hour weekly enhancing your vocabulary and will learn 200 plus new words with 140 words you use on a daily basis and 70 new words which are suggested by ChatGPT. Now let us move on to the last part of this module, in which we will look at the topic, understanding the context.